Well, what's up, guys? It's Mitch with SC Weather. I'm gonna bring another little update for y'all. What to expect this week with weather-wise. I asked if y'all could subscribe while you're watching. That would be awesome. I'd appreciate it. A beautiful day today. As you can tell, some high-level clouds are starting to move in because we got rain about to move in again, probably for about the next 2 or 3 days. As you can tell, this is mid to early afternoon Monday. Rain is already settling back in. I don't think this will be a really heavy rain, but just kind of a light, steady rain for a few hours. Just goes just deep all day Monday, basically on and off light rain. I think there will also be some breaks as we kind of switch panels here. Then some heavier rain moves in overnight, Monday night into Tuesday morning. It's just going to come in waves over the next, 48, 72 hours. It's going to be heavier at times, lighter at other times, and it might just be damp and cloudy at other times, but it's going to be kind of like last week where we just had 2 or 3 days straight of nothing but rain. And then maybe some heavier stuff comes in during the day. Tuesday, this will be Tuesday morning. We're just going to kind of switch to overnight Tuesday into Wednesday. We'll have a little bit of showers to deal with, but I think Wednesday is going to be a really, really windy day, really breezy out there, and I think it's because that's a cold front that I'm going to talk about later in the video. So I'd expect maybe 1 inch widespread around the state, maybe 2 in places. So it's going to be wet. This is an image for Wednesday. Expect temperatures to be in the 50s tomorrow, 60s Tuesday, and around 50s to 40s to 60s, depending on how fast this front moves through. And this is the image of that front moving through. Probably Wednesday night. You'll notice a difference into Thursday. We cool back down again. It's going to be another chilly weekend next weekend, and I think we'll probably have a freeze Thursday night into Friday night, maybe Saturday night. I don't think it will get down to the low 20s like it did the other night, but I think definitely have a chance to get back into the 20s at the end of this week into the weekend. As you can tell with these panels, there's some cold mornings, and I think I can pretty much say and set in stone that it's going to get cold again. I can guarantee this, but this is what I can't guarantee, is this little system right here that we're going to be watching next week. Well, I guess you can say this coming weekend now. Will it get suppressed? Will it blow up into a coastal, or will it just kind of be a clipper? Definitely cannot say there's any chance of snow right now, but it's a system to watch, and I've kind of been tweeting about it a little bit. See that energy coming into Alabama, Mississippi. That would be the system, but on the next panel, this would be kind of into Sunday. It gets squashed, it kind of gets suppressed, and kind of just torn apart by the colder air mass and the high just pushing it too far south. And this just kind of shows the anomalies of below average temperatures for this time of the year. And we're about to be in March now. Here's the GFSs and the ensemble run. Just kind of signaling, might be a threat. We'll talk about that later in the week when we know something, but there's a lot of energy flying around, and it's certainly something to watch. This is the 10-day forecast on, I'm just going to go with Columbia, guys. I'm not going to show a whole bunch of other panels for other cities and towns, but we'll just go with Columbia. And this is just signifying the roller coaster in temps. We go into the 60s and 70s. And this week, then that front comes through and we drop into the 50s and 40s for highs with freezing temperatures at night, and then we just climb right back in the 60s and 70s next week. So, it's a roller coaster, and we're just going back and forth, and that's kind of what we have to deal with right now. We can't really get a concrete pattern. We really haven't in a while. But that's all I got, guys. Y'all have a blessed day.